All right, so we just had our move out inspection. I was gonna take you through as I cleaned, but I'll be honest, it was a little insane. And I just couldn't hang on to my phone while I did that, so I'll give you an empty house tour instead. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you're walking up to the door. This is one of the, what's it called? Not a housing unit. Not duplex. I don't know. Like one of the ones where there are a bunch of units. There's 2 upstairs, 2 over here, and then it's connected to a few, I think 3 other buildings. So this is what it looks like when you walk up. Screen door, window, and slats, and yeah. This is the doorway, and this is the first bedroom. There is a sliding door closet, and yes, there's a window, slat blinds that they give you, and then over here is a slightly bigger master, also a sliding door closet. It's got one side for like dresses and coats, and the shorter side, a top and bottom for like shorts, pants, whatever. Wall units. This, I should have also said, this is one of the older housing units on Fort Drum, so we do not have central air, but that's not the case everywhere. It's just at this home in Adirondack Creek. And then this is the laundry room. There's the hookups for washer and dryer. There's shelving over here built in, and up here. This is the water heater closet. See? And on the other side, a linen closet. And then a bathroom, bath and shower. We bought that shower curtain, so that's one little bit of advice I would give when you're moving into military housing. Know that they do not provide a shower curtain, just a liner at most, so be prepared to get your own. And then there's a coat closet. I'm just double checking. And kitchen. And fridge. And this is the backyard. A couple quick things before I let you go. I hope you found this empty house tour and moving day vlog-ish type video helpful. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. And also, I'm going to link up here the link for my newsletter and my website. Consider going there to get monthly updates, blog posts, and such from me, as well as some additional military life tips that I'll be going into more depth over on the website. And let me know down below. Do you like to live on or off post or base when you move to a new duty station? I'm curious. And I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any questions, do drop those down below as well. In addition to any video ideas that you would like to see me cover. And in the meantime, I will see you in the next one.